Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury and unparalleled engineering with the £3.8 million Bugatti Tourbillon, a masterpiece that transcends the boundaries of automotive excellence. With a price tag of £3.8 million, the Bugatti Tourbillon is not just a car, it's a statement of opulence and performance. This incredible vehicle represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. Inside, the Tourbillon is a sanctuary of luxury. The interior is crafted with the finest materials, including bespoke leather, hand-stitched upholstery, and custom finishes that reflect the personal taste of its owner. Every detail, from the dashboard to the door panels, is meticulously designed to offer an unparalleled driving experience. Under the hood, the Bugatti Tourbillon is powered by a jaw-dropping quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering blistering acceleration and unmatched performance. This beast of an engine is complemented by advanced aerodynamics and state-of-the-art suspension systems, ensuring that the Tourbillon not only performs with precision but also delivers a smooth, exhilarating ride. Performance is where the Tourbillon truly shines. With a top speed that pushes the boundaries of automotive physics and acceleration that can leave even the most seasoned drivers in awe, the Tourbillon is a track-ready marvel that brings the thrill of high-speed driving to a new level. But it's not just about raw power. The Bugatti Tourbillon is equipped with the latest in automotive technology, including a cutting-edge infotainment system, advanced driver assistance features, and a custom audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound, making every journey a pleasure. Owning a Bugatti Tourbillon also means being part of an exclusive club. Each car is hand-built with the highest level of craftsmanship, and owners receive personalized service that ensures their vehicle remains in peak condition. The Bugatti Tourbillon is not just a car, it's an experience. From the moment you get behind the wheel, you feel the blend of heritage and innovation that defines Bugatti. With its £3.8 million price tag, the Bugatti Tourbillon stands as a testament to what happens when extraordinary engineering meets unparalleled luxury. It's a car that's as much a work of art as it is a high-performance machine. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the Bugatti Tourbillon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive content on the most incredible cars on the planet. See you in the next video.